the Ampere Nexus. The next big thing in electric mobility. Inspired by the majestic Arctic tern and a silhouette that defies the wind, our design gives shape to the spirit of endurance and elegance. Contours inspired by ancient sculptures, the headlamp and tail lamp that dazzle like diamond jewelry. A mesmerizing mix of sensual surfaces and sharp technical details. Colors inspired by hues of India. An intuitive experience design and touchscreen interface that puts the power of technology at your fingertips. Every element click and touch, designed to ignite a symphony of premiumness and assurance. The Ampere Nexus is an electric scooter like no other. A statement of style and substance, designed in India to be the next big thing.